A&B Auto Sales, out driving our 64 Chevy Chevelle Malibu SS. There you can see we're going about 55 miles an hour. You can see the end of the speedometer broke off, but you can get the adjust. A little bit of wind noise, but that's pretty typical for a convertible that's 60 years old, so not bad. It is a little windy here today. Sure goes down the road nice. No pulls to it, no bumps and vibrations. So see, the only thing I didn't in the run video was the wipers, and I'll have to look at them because I thought they did work, but we'll take a look at them. And but nice car. And the tack, as you can see, the tack doesn't work. So, get a chance, we'll get a look at that too. I don't know what that takes on that. So. But really cool car, nice driver quality car, got good paint on there. You can see the reflection of them trees when we come up to it. So, got power brakes, manual steering, but this car turns so easy that it's not an issue. So if you're looking for a fun car to cruise in, this will definitely work. Console with a 4-speed, bucket seats, padded dash option. So just a GM small block in it. I would guess it's a 350. There's no marking on the pad, so it's probably a great engine from somebody. Any questions? 605-695-7391.